All right, quick review, law of sines. So I've got law of sines listed down here. Now remember, with law of sines, you're only ever going to be using two of the fractions. Okay, we're not ever going to worry about setting up all three, but it's always angle sides opposite that make up these fractions. And we're going to need one angle side opposite pair to be able to set this up so we can solve for a missing angle or side. Okay, that's what makes the law of sines work. So let's go through and let's match up here. So we want to solve for AB. So this is x, and that x is matched up with the 53 degrees. The side angle opposite that we know, well, we've got the 44 right here that goes with that 7. Okay. Now, just as a kind of a review here, could we find this angle here if we needed it? Yep. If we're given two angles of triangle, we automatically know the third. We don't need it for this one, but you might encounter many problems like that where you're going to need to find that third angle based on the triangle sum property. So let's go ahead and solve this. So this is x over the sine of 53 degrees equals 7 over the sine of 44. We're going to cross multiply to solve. And this is 7 sine of 53. And we'll divide that sine 44 to the other side, and then we'll plug it in the calculator and find the answer. So this is 53 over the sine of 44. So let's plug that in. Now again, you're plugging in degrees. Make sure your calculator's in degrees. 7 sine 53 divided by sine of 44. I get 8.04, so let's just go with 8.0. We'll round to one place like we had before. So that is 8.0, so that side's 8 long. All right, we'll find angle C here. So let's put an X in here with where we want to find. So we're going to find that one. And the side opposite that angle is the 20. And let's see, we're going to find one that we have both of them. So we only have this other angle 82, and the side that is opposite of that is the 29. So let's go ahead and set this up and solve it. So we have 20 over the sine of angle X, and this is 29 over the sine of 82 degrees. So cross multiply. 29 times the sine of x equals 20 times the sine of 82. We're going to divide this 29 over. So we get sine x equals 20 sine of 82 degrees divided by 29. And then remember, to get this sine over to the other side, it gains that little -1. It's an inverse sine. So it's the inverse sine of 20 sine of 82 degrees over 29. And that's what we're going to plug in. So remember to do this calculation for this number in front, keep it in the calculator, use its answer function. So 20 sine of 82 divided by 29. And then we're going to hit second sine, second answer. And I get 43.07, so 43.0 degrees is just fine. That's it. Let me know if you need help.